Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix if your Logitech headset is not working. We might need a bit more light here. That light up there doesn't seem to be enough. There we go, let's see if that helps it. Nah, not really, but yeah. So yeah, we are going to try to fix this headset today. So basically the problem with it is that it won't turn on. So, well, like the button works, so if I turn it on and if I go and switch over to my headset, by the way, I am using the G933 headset, and yeah, if we go and just try to listen to this, as you can see, no audio. So that is what we're going to be doing today. There are a few stuff which we can do. So first up, which you should have done before you clicked on this video, is like this shot over here says, loose USB. So what that means is, if we go and grab the cable, the charging cable for the headset, if I go and try to plug it in, just give me a second to put my GoPro on my head. Right, there we go. So now if we go and grab this and we go and just put it in the headset and we go and turn it on, as you can see, the lights over here won't actually turn on, but if I push it down, as you can see, now they will turn on. So what this means is that the cable is a bit faulty, maybe like ran over it with your chair or something. I've probably not done that. I do it quite a lot of times. So what you might want to do is you might want to go and buy another one of these cables, or I don't think it's you actually need to use this cable from the Logitech. I think it just like works with any cable. So if we go and grab another one, let's go and use this nice white one here, and we go and plug it in. Let's see if it fits. Right, there we go. Okay, so let's see if it fits. Yes, it does. It actually does fit, and it feels like it's tight in there. So now if we go and plug it into my if we now go and plug it into my PC, let's see if the cable is actually long enough without dragging it off the table, and we just go and put it in there. As you can see, the lights will now turn on, so there is something wrong with my cable. So yeah, that's the first fix. It's very simple. Actually, for most of you, this may have fixed already, so I'm happy I helped. If you're still having issues, let's go and move over to the next step. So the next one is, it might be something with the battery. So when you have your headset on the table with these buttons here facing upwards, this right one here is where the battery is. So if you just if we actually go and grab the light, that might be useful. There we go. Right, let's see if this is... Oh yeah, you can see a bit better now. So you see this like little dent here. If you go and pull on this, this will open this up, and here is your battery. How you take it out is if you when you see this bit, you just want to the same as you did with the lid. You just want to go and pull it out, and here we go. So, oh, almost fell off my desk. So as you can see, the battery here is actually connected to this set of wires here. So what could have happened is this over here might have been unplugged. So what you want to do is you just want to plug it back in. So yeah, just plug it back in just like that, and then make sure that this cable is all the way down just like that, not out. And after you've done that, just put the bottom of the battery in first, and then just push it on the top until you hear a click, just like that. And yeah, that is the next reason why your headset might not work. Another reason is that it might be something to do with your battery. So if I go and pop this out again, come on, there we go. So yeah, your battery, this black bit here may be a bit faulty. You might have to change that. Also guys, if you do want to go and buy a new cable, if your cable is faulty, I will go and leave a link to some of the cables in the description from Amazon, if you guys want to go and look through them. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I know of. If I do find something else which might also be another reason, I'll go and make a part 2 to this video. So I'm gonna go. Oh, that's bright. There we go. Right then guys, I'm gonna go and leave it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also make sure you are subscribed and you have turned on the post notifications. Go and check out the 2 videos on the screen. The left one is a previous helpful video which you may find helpful. The other one will just be another video which you may want to go and watch. Also go and check out my TikTok at badkarma49 and my Instagram at badkarmalols. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.